Hi everybody. So this is a welcome video. It's totally unscripted. It's just me and stuff. And I'm going to talk about a couple of things for the course. So um, that's my dog Murphy. Ava, come here. And this is my dog Ava. They're actually brother and sister. That was my son dropping hockey equipment in the other room. She's a couple years younger than he was, actually. They're from the same parents, there's different litters. And Murphy got sick, had lung cancer, so we had to put him down. But I reference him, and you'll see him in movies that I make or videos that I make. And you'll notice here, Western Michigan Broncos, and just give me a second here. You'll notice here, Western Michigan Broncos. I did my undergrad at WMU. I played soccer there. Really learned a ton. Loved being there. I did my graduate work at CMU. Yes, I know, conflict and so forth, but whatever. It was a good institution. I enjoyed my time there as well. The textbook that we are using is Elementary Statistics, picturing the world, and you'll notice the map on it. You won't actually need a hard copy. You just need the e-text for it. Now, couple of quick things. If you're in 209, and I'm teaching both the 209 and the 208 section, if you're in 209, your text will go all the way through chapter 11, and if you're in 208, your class stops at chapter 10. The difference is the non-parametric distributions. The 209, you're going to notice that you've got the courses merged, so I don't have to duplicate paperwork, is really the whole purpose there. And then for 208, you'll notice you're there, and that's your call number and so forth. So you're going to look, if you're in 209, for the merged course, not the merged by title, but the two kind of put together. All right, couple of things, and this is uniform in both of the formats. In fact, it's the case in all of them. So if you would, go to the Content tab immediately, and I'm going to ask that you find the starting information. You click over here for that, and there's a welcome video. It's just going to be what I'm talking about right here. And as we travel down and you're looking at this information, you're going to notice there's stuff for each one of the chapters that we travel through. Okay. If I click on one of the chapters, for instance, I click on chapter 2, you're going to find video links, you're going to find documents, things that are there to help you as you travel through the course. Some of the links are on YouTube, some of them are through the virtual classroom. The YouTube ones are answers to questions. The virtual links are question and answer periods that I've had, or lecture periods that I've had. And as we go, I'll delete the old ones and I'll put up new ones. I'll leave the old ones on there, I suppose, for a bit, to try and, if you decide to, work a little bit ahead. Now, let me do another thing here. We're going to go to the course home, and you have on the side here the calendar. I recommend that you do the following if you're curious about where we're at. You click on the arrow on the calendar, hit go to calendar, and then you see all of the actual due dates in a list. So you want it in list format. Notice this is highlighted and you can see all of them going. Let's see. Do make sure you read the syllabus in its entirety. There's lots of stuff in there, especially because this is an online course. Let's go to the assignment drop box. So you click on activities, you click on assignments, and you'll see where you put all of your homework and all of your tests. Let's do the following. Oh, make sure that you're doing PDF documents. JPEGs are working. They didn't work until about a year ago. There must have been an update in software, but if you do a zip file, it won't download, and I can't read it. An HEIC file doesn't work. PNG files don't typically work. So try to make the PDF. Try to make a JPEG. Preference is the PDF. For each of the tests, you have discussions, so you need to go and sign up. There's also a little comment. You have to make a PDF immediately, and that is due right away. And you're going to put it here in the discussion board, pie chart PDF, and you're also going to put it in the Dropbox. You'll see that there's a spot for that in the Dropbox that we were just at. In each exam, you'll see it says a review for the test, but if you travel down, you already got the reviews, but you click on, where did it go? Hold on. There we go. You click on the review, and you scroll down, and you're going to sign up for a test here. So you start a new thread and you sign up for the day that you're going to take the test. I read the syllabus on there. Okay. Also, here is where the virtual classroom is. So you click on virtual classroom, and it's not active at the moment, but you'll see a place for meetings. I'll click on next and see if it'll call it up. There we go. And so I create the meeting, and then you'll see a list for meetings. I'll also copy the links. This is where I do the lectures, and let me talk real quick about that. For attendance, there's 3 things you can do. You can come to a lecture. You can email me, which means you don't have to come to the lecture. Just let me know that you're there, and where you're at, and you have to do that once a week. You can attend a lecture once a week, or you can come to the office hours, which is in the syllabus. It's a Zoom session, and you just click on and pop in, and you can check in, or you can ask a question. Either or, as long as you do one of those things once a week. Okay. Let me see if I've got anything else. Talked about the 3 forms: PDF files, Dropbox, homework. All right, let me just pop back here to the course home. There's a welcome statement here, and hopefully you guys have a great semester. Thanks. I'll talk to you later. Bye.